Hey guys, Adam here in the Aero Workshop, and there's nothing I would rather be doing more right now than working on my Super Duty, but I have to address something that came up early this morning. One of my viewers brought to my attention that another builder of a Zenith aircraft was making some disparaging comments, and I want to address those comments. So over on his channel, somebody said, "Nice work. What are you and AeroWorks, going toe-to-toe or something? First doors and then panels? I think he's trying to ride on your popularity." And Mark's initial response was, "They say imitation is the best form of flattery, right?" But that wasn't enough, because it bugged him so bad that 10 hours later he had to edit his whole comment and say, "He's been copying my content for a long time." It's pathetic. But there's nothing I can do about it. He has zero experience building airplanes, so he watches my videos and then a few days later publishes a video with the same content. Whatever. That's the furthest from the truth, Mark. Actually, not only did I start my plane before you did, I've built most of the components, and most of my videos have come out prior to your aircraft. Now, it's no mystery that we're building the same plane. We have the same instructions. You have to build things the same way if you want to get the same result. But let me give you some examples. August 29th, I put out my first video on the Super Duty build when I took the kit delivery. Now, I had 2 videos before that about getting prepared for it, but August 29th, I took delivery of the Super Duty, unloaded my crate. September 10th, about 2 weeks later, you took delivery of your crate, or at least you filmed it. So I don't know how I could have copied a video that came out 2 weeks after mine. December 11th, I started doing my landing gear and installing the tires on my rims. It wasn't until March 7th you came out with your tire video. Almost 3 months after I did my video. Again, not sure how I can copy a video that you put out 3 months after my video. November 19th, I installed the brakes in my Super Duty. April 21st, you installed your brakes. Again, not sure how I can copy a video that came out months after my video did. Now, it's really a shame that somebody who has followers and makes videos has to go out and make disparaging comments about another builder who is just doing the same thing that you're doing. You know, recently I was down at the Zenith Homecoming, and I met a ton of builders, pilots, potential builders, factory workers, and everybody there was awesome to talk to. They love aviation, all walks, all ages, colors, creeds, everything was there. Got along with everybody. And it's a shame that one guy in the community who's so stuck on himself has to make disparaging comments about another YouTuber and another builder. So I'm sorry, Mark. I know you're the greatest person in the world, but do something better with your time and try finishing your airplane and stop worrying about what others are doing. So guys, Adam from the AeroWorks Workshop. Sorry to make this quick video. I got to get back to work because, I got stuff to copy, I guess. At least that's what Mark says. No, really, I got to get back to work. See you later.